How are the DMs, Mikey?
Lost in the world, can't see it without you, can't breathe without you, can't leave without you. Can't be me when it's me without you, cause I don't know where I'd be without you. When I lost you, I lost my touch.
Looks really good.
It's like a chicken mayo.
Nice. We have 1 hour left of work today, and the boys are just stopping for a lunch break. Ryan has got some kind of sandwich. Jason's also got some disgusting...
Hey, it's nice.
It's got tomato on it, boy. What are you eating for lunch?
Not eating at the moment. I'll see you later when I get home.
Oh, you're not intermittent fasting, are you?
Like kind of, I guess.
What is that? It looks delicious.
Yeah, not the greatest looking, but the healthiest by far.
There's carrots, lettuce, tomatoes, feta.
Yeah, spinach.
Solid. Are you just having a deep breath for lunch?
Yeah, well, the stairs is out of shot, so pretend I'm healthy with the animal. Have you guys seen the colour of the inside of my bag? Red. They call it peppermint.
So I'm just sitting here eating Darren's curry, because she didn't want the rest of it. It's ice cold, thanks to Eskom and loadshedding. But delicious curry. Don't know what I'm going to do with myself now, since I can't use my laptop. I don't know, read a book or something. But yeah, fuck you, Eskom.
Hello.
Fuck you. Oh, good God, hello.
What's up?
What's good? What are you drinking there?
I feel like such a white girl though. I don't want to.
Coconut nectar with chocolate.
Milk chocolate.
You are the whitest white girl I know.
I can't drink normal milk chocolate.
Good morning. I'm a bit sick today. A lot of people around me have been sick. Chris has been sick, Jason's been sick, now James is sick, I'm sick. It's the beginning of Varsity vibes, but can't do much. Just taking some current to see, and I'm gonna hopefully come back later and take a nap. Yeah, haven't got too many lectures today. Also, timetable's been changing up a bit, but I'll talk about that later. Darren is also here. She hasn't left the class yet.
Hi.
And yeah, gonna be a good week.
Church them days, now I know my luck. Heart getting colder, I'm cooling up. Hit right bottom, ain't moving up. All my forehead with that scar. Every day pray, look at God. Voicemail used to be you and me, and everything in this house, yeah, used to be God's. Fought my battle, but I lost the war. Everything on the line, lost it all. Once it's gone, you can't get it back. Up every night, waiting on that call, yeah. Up all night till I hear the phone ring. Girl, I'm still waiting.
So we're just in EMK, busy doing like an online quiz. Kahoot, obviously, even in third year. You mean we got it wrong? Oof. First question. It's not a good sign. But we've just been doing memory of our microprocessors this morning. It's very interesting, very technical, lots of work in binary. As you can see, I've got the calculator open here, and just reading through the data sheet. This module is basically data sheet reading 101, so interesting. Oh. Just got back from campus, and these guys seem to be installing some air conditioning unit across from me. Big sighs. Never seems to be any peace around this place. But oh well. Welcome back to Tuesday night on the vlog with cooking with Darren and Mitch. What are you making tonight?
I actually don't know.
Because I mean, it smells and tastes amazing.
Mixed veg, lentils, tomato.
And what's that?
Mix. What?
Show them what that is. It's delicious.
Oh, it's, what is it? It's a masala mix. Yes. Where's the camera pointing? Oh, yeah, but of course.
Remember, it's wide angle.
Yes. So yeah, it's a masala mix. I don't really know what it is, but it looks good.
It tastes amazing. It's got onions and that in it.
Oof. And spice.
And I'm gonna have some mince and rice and butternut and mealie and maybe a potato. And lots of mayonnaise and baked beans, obviously.
Where's the music?
I turn it down so that I don't get copyrighted.
Copyright, schmopyright.
Good morning. It's Wednesday morning today. Just finished having some breakfast. I am very sick. Been coughing. Geez, right on cue. Been coughing badly, and I got a bunch of snots, but it's all good, man. It's just the beginning of varsity flu. Hopefully we'll get over it soon. I'm about to have a, come on, switch off. About to have a Carenza C. Yeah, not much is happening. Just been grafting through the maths. I've done all of the 258 tutorial problems and the 256 problems, so I'm really happy about that. This is going to be the semester that I do better in math. But yeah, really want this flu to go away so that I can start being super productive again and go to the gym. I miss the gym, man. But otherwise, yeah, varsity's going well. Not much is happening except work, and I'm excited for the rest of the week. See you later.
Your touch, your feel, your love. I'm waiting, girl. I'm waiting. Oh, hey, I'm waiting, girl. I'm waiting for you, girl. Your touch, your feel, your love. I'm waiting.
Good morning. It's Thursday morning. It's not a really good morning. I went to bed late because I was working on some stuff, and I'm still sick and that. And I woke up at 2 with like a coughing fit and couldn't get to sleep for a while, so I had a cup of tea. Then at 4:30, some moron of our neighbor, one of our moron neighbors, got up and was having a domestic dispute at 4:30 in the morning, shouting, hysterical, screaming and crying and swearing. This entire row of apartments here was awake and standing on the balcony at like just after 4:15 in the morning. And that lasted for like an hour. I phoned the security company, didn't seem to really help. Needless to say, I'm exhausted. But yeah, maths tuts today, and yeah, let's go work. Also, no sooner had I got to bed did the leaf blower start up 10 minutes later. But it's alright. Had some food, had a chat to Darren, and strangely I have a lot of energy now, so off to my E&E analog electronics tut. Bought this cup of tea here because my throat has been so sore today. Well, not the throat really sore, just chest has been so tight and I've been coughing so much, and hot water really seems to help. 18 Rand is ridiculous for a cup of tea, but if it gets me through this next 3 hours of maths tuts, I'll be very grateful. Delicious. First maths tutorial test of the year. Are you ready?
I'm so ready.
This camera's on 0%, but I am not. Good morning. It's Friday morning today. Not a huge amount going on today, just a couple of lectures. Been a productive week actually. I got a lot of work done. Had my maths tests yesterday and they went pretty well. Better than the first ones went last year, which is to say very well. And yeah, not a huge amount on today. It's Valentine's Day today, so happy Valentine's Day. Even though it's like several days past in your present, but whatever. The shops were packed yesterday of people buying flowers and chocolates, and I was standing in the clicks and someone was buying a ring. Nice guy. So yeah, hope you're having a good day, or hope you had a good day of love. And my cough is still terrible, so I got myself some super cold. But quickly before I go off to campus, let me show you what's in my lunchbox today. And oh, how am I going to do this? You will be excited to know. Come on. That I have pasta, rice, and tuna in my lunchbox today, alongside 2 apples. Yes, boy! Bulking season is happening!
Can't breathe without you, can't leave without you. Can't be me when it's me without you. Lost in the world, can't see it without you. Can't breathe without you, can't leave without you. Can't be me when it's me without you. Lost in the world, can't see it without you. Can't breathe without you, can't leave without you. Up all night till I hear the phone ring.